Excuse me. Gladiators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates. And today, maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Armor Age. Para siyang World of Tanks para siyang World of Tanks, pero ikaw yung commander dito. Hindi ka yung player. Ikaw magkukuman ng mga tank dito. Para siyang War Thunder na rin. So, okay, tignan nyo guys, paano sila rin. Isa ka talagang general dito. Nanonood ko lang doon sa battlefield, ko kuman mo yung mga tank, ganito siya. Diba ganyan? Ganyan na. Strategy, kailangan mo mag-display ng strategy. Kumbaga, pagaling sa strategy. Ganyan siya guys, pero nagduduro ko ay dito. Ang bilis lang. Pati ng sa tanke, wala na, sira na. Durog guys, durog tayo. Hindi sila rin, kailangan marunong mag-strategy. Wala na, sira. Sira na tang tanke guys. Kasi sa maling decision na akong ginawa, pinauna ko yung maliliit. Kasi sila magbibili, sige ulit tayo. So alright guys, planning. Sir, anong gagawin natin dito sir? May mga tanke na pumunta dito at mga atake dito. May isang artillery pieces na nakalagay dito, may mga artillery unit. Pero protected sila ng isang tanke. So ang gagawin natin, papauna natin itong si Nimrod tank dito. And then, babantay itong si Churchill dito. Tumalili ka tanke. Samahan si Nimrod. Itong isa, magbantay dito. Move. Kontra na backup, kontra dito. Kontra na backup, dito lang muna sa Churchill. Then, dito tayo ng bala doon. Let's move, go, go, go. Huwag tayo dito guys. Churchill. Tulungan mo itong mga kasama mo. Durog, mga maliliit. Wow. Sira natin. This one. No. Patay. Mission failed. Okay, isa pa. One more time. So, ganyan sa laring guys. May isa sa magandang laro pero talo tayo. Okay, hindi na talo ito. Mag-reward. So, sige. Dito ko lang. Tawagin dito. Yun lang. Chili. Bobito. So guys, may blueprint tayo ng isang panibagang tanke. Hindi ko alam. Tawagin ng chili tank. I-teke na tayo dito, pero gusto ko yung chili. Chili. Hindi na kailangan. Nakaw! Ito ba yung Sherman? Hindi, import pala yun. Pero tumangas to. Ito yung... So guys, nung World War II, itong T-34, sila yung isa pa pinakamangas sa tangke. Kasama ng M4 at ng Panzer tank. Ito yung Panzer tank. Ito naman yung M4. This is the M4 Sherman tank, which is widely and commonly used by the US Army. And this is the Panzer tank, which has been one of the most famous tank in the World War II. And this is other Panzer tank. The Panzer tanks were the famous because it is impenetrable, and of course Tiger tanks are famous too. The German tanks were produced with high quality armor. The M4 Shermans need a lot of M4 Shermans to destroy one of those Tiger tanks. You know that? Oh yeah, Tiger 8. What is this? I'm making all that. Yeah, and this is why they used to. Go. Counter tanks are one of the most famous tanks in World War II because they are quietly good even though they are produced in low numbers, unlike the Emperor Shermans and other allied tanks. And mouse, yeah, I think this is commonly used, but I think the Germans were disappointed about this tank. I'm not sure, right? I'm not sure. But the mouse tank is so big and its armor so thick that the shells from the other tanks cannot penetrate it. M6 button, yeah, I quite used to. This is one of my favorite tank. M6 button. I need 500 more money. I need 500 more gold to add everything into my squad. I have only 4 tanks in my squad. So how can I get one? How can I get one? Depot. So let's go to depot. So let's go to supplies, blueprints. Nah, I need one more squad. Thanks, cartoon. Okay, let's move. So let's go to battle again. Alright, this is it. Move. Tank inside. Enemy tank inside. Move. Move. Fire now. Nice one. Did it. More tanks inbound. More enemy tanks inbound. Move. Come on, man. You can do it. No! We lost another tank. It's 2v2 now. Give it up, buddy. Come on, come on. You can do it. Destroy it. Destroy it. Come on. Come on, man. Nice one. Now let's beat this guy up. Nice. Yeah, we win. We win. Did we just win? 2 power tanks has been destroyed. Okay. It's kind of good. Thank you, man. Another critical because we just another gold. Man. Come on, another battle. Go to another battle. Another battle. It's alright. Just as planned. No. Thanks inbound. Come on. All units, attack. Yo, nagbabalag ako, oy. Come on, man, attack. Do it. So, yun lang guys. Salamat sa panonood at huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates. Say lang. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, brothers. See you in the next video.